Hi kids, today we will learn about sports related full forms. So let's start it. Acronym ICL full form Indian Cricket League, ICC International Cricket Council, ODI One Day International, IPL Indian Premier League, CCI Cricket Club of India. IHAI Ice Hockey Association of India, BWF Badminton World Federation, AAI Archery Association of India, AICF All India Chess Federation, ACA Australian Cricketers Association. AFC American Football Conference, TTF Table Tennis Federation of India, AGF Asian Games Federation, AIFF All India Football Federation, IOC International Olympic Committee. CA Cricket Australia, SAI Sports Authority of India, HI Hockey India, ECC European Cricket Council, BPL Bangladesh Premier League. CGF Commonwealth Games Federation, ACC Asian Cricket Council, NIS National Institute of Sports, VFI Volleyball Federation of India, LBW Leg Before Wicket. DRC Decision Review System, WWE World Wrestling Entertainment, SLC Sri Lanka Cricket, BCCI the Board of Control for Cricket in India.